Hi, I am Kirti Ganesh. Welcome to Develop with HMS Core. Today, I am going to explain about Scan Kit and show the integration steps. HUAWEI Scan Kit scans and parses all major 1D and 2D barcodes and generate QR codes. This helps you to quickly build barcode scanning functions into your application. In last video about Scan Kit, we introduced Scan Kit with the default view. In default view, we do not need to worry about the designing a UI, as Scan Kit provides a UI. If you want to watch Scan Kit default view mode, please click on the link below. In this video, we will introduce Scan Kit with customized view. In customized view mode, we do not need to worry about developing the scanning process or camera control. Scan Kit will do all those tasks for you. However, we have the control to design the scanning UI as per our requirements. Now, let's get coding.
Open and sign in to Huawei developer website. Click on Console to move to Developer Console. Click on App Gallery Connect. Open My Apps to view all your applications. Click on New App to create new application. Provide the details to create new application. Click on OK. Move to your project. Manually enter the package name for your application and then click on to save. Add SHA-256 certificate for your application, then download agconnect services.json file. Add agconnect services.json file under the app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in the app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add Maven repositories under build script and all project section. Also add class path. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the latest version of ScanKit library under the dependencies section. Add the camera and read external storage permissions in Android manifest file. Open the layout XML file of the application. Add a button to start scanning. Use image view to create a frame for scanning the barcode. Open the main activity of the application. On scan button clicked, request for camera and read external storage permissions. On permission grant, start a new activity for scanning the barcode. Declare the remote view for the scanning. Set the size for the frame to scan the barcode. Initialize the remote view instance and set the callback for scanning result. On result available, set the value in the toast for the user to view. Now, the coding is completed.
Open the newly installed app and tap on the scan button. Scanning UI appears. Scan the 2D barcode and return to previous screen. The scanning result is displayed. And there you go. You have now integrated HUAWEI Scan Kit into your application. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any question, you can leave them in the comments area below or visit HUAWEI developer website and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.